morning, guys. So I know I've been missing for a minute. Yes, baby. Okay. He's trying to show me his Skittles. Okay, baby, that's yummy. But I'm back, so we're gonna do a vlog. Currently I am going over to the bank. I can't find my bank card, so I need to go over to the bank. And then after that I need to go over to Walmart. It's kind of going mighty fast here, but anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna go to Walmart after that. And then I don't know, but it's like 8:47, so I might go to Walmart first and then to the bank, cause yeah, there's not exactly anything here right now where I can go. I'm trying to think what's the closest Walmart over here. I don't know, actually. I don't really know. I know there's a Target somewhere, but I don't really want to go to Target. I was trying to go to Walmart, so I guess we gonna see, huh? We gonna see. I need to go and get my car inspection done and the registration, and my change engine oil light just came on, so we need to do that as well. So we just got everything to do today. I've been having the worst headaches recently, so I need to set up an appointment with my doctor as well. I feel like I have so much to do today because I gotta do schoolwork today. I have 2 things due today. I need to do that. I need to mail something back because it does not fit at all. It's for my iPad. It's a case, but it doesn't fit, so I need to mail that back. Yeah, I'm already tired, and it's 8:48 a.m. I feel like I have so much to do, but yeah, I guess I'll talk to y'all when I'm doing something interesting. Okay, y'all, so now I just we're leaving Walmart. There's a huge ball in my passenger seat because Trey wanted one and I don't have nowhere else to fit it right now. I'm eating a banana for breakfast and Trey's eating some kind of, it's got cheese cubes, grapes, and some apple slices, so he's eating that. And yeah, I got some stuff so I can make dinner once I get home, which hopefully should be in a few minutes. I still gotta go by the bank. It's 9:30, so yeah, I'll go do that and I'll be back. So you guys, I'm now leaving the bank. Yeah. Okay, Trey. I don't know what he's saying. He's saying something, but I don't know what he's talking about. So there's that. But sorry, y'all can't really see me. I can't really hold it up. I really need to get him out from my car. I'm gonna work on that, y'all. I'm gonna work on it. Last one I had, it didn't do so well, but I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. I don't want to get a ticket, cause yeah. Good morning, y'all. Sorry if Paw Patrol is mad loud, but here's my breakfast sandwich that I'm about to eat. It's just blueberry bagels, eggs, sausage links, and cheese. Yes, baby. Trey's drinking almond milk, and I'm drinking coffee. Trey had his breakfast over on the other side, but he decided he wanted to come and cuddle with mommy, so here we are. So yeah, but today is Friday. So yeah, today is Friday. I'm trying to do these as weekly vlogs instead of daily vlogs now because I just be too tired. I need to do my update video and post it or whatever for my pregnancy, and yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. And yeah. Hey y'all, sorry y'all can see me like barely. Sorry about that, but right now I'm on my way to go and do this glucose testing or whatever. I was supposed to been do it, but I didn't, so yeah, I had a lot going on, so I didn't do it then. But I'm gonna go and do it today because my appointment is soon, and they're not gonna have no results if I don't go do it. So I'm gonna do that now. What else? Let me see. And I don't think anything else. I'm gonna try to do probably Postmates or something so that I can. What is it called? So that I can do some Postmates because I haven't done it in a minute. So I'm gonna try to do that. And yeah, I want some boba, but it's like, what time is it? It's like 9 something. They don't open till 11. Maybe they might be open once I'm done and then I can stop by and get some. And then I'm gonna go back. What else? It's something I need to do. Oh, I need to clean out my car. I need to do a deep clean of it or whatever. But I just be so tired. Like, yeah, it ain't no joke. I be really, really, really tired. The outside of my car is dirty now too because it started raining, but then there was a sandstorm, and now all the cars out here look like they just haven't been cleaned in months. So that's how they all look right now. Like, if you pass a car right now, that's how it looks, unless they went and got their car washed this morning. Then it doesn't. But the car behind me looks like that. The car in front of me looks like that. Sheesh. Y'all. This car wash got like 30, 40 cars lined up. I wish I could have shown y'all, but I'm driving. It's got like 30 or 40 cars lined up going out into the actual street, onto the road. And this is the main road to be backed up. So it's going out into the road with like 30, 40 cars in that line. I guess everybody say, we ain't about to do this. We about to get these cars washed because we ain't going out here looking crazy. I told y'all, everybody got messed up by it because it's sandy here. So if it rains and then there's a sandstorm, yo, your car's gonna be messed up. That was too funny. I didn't even know people really go to that one over there. Guess it showed me something today. Y'all, this car in front of me is going so slow. I'm literally going 25 miles per hour. I don't even know what they're going. But it's gonna be. Wow. Okay, thanks, buddy. It's like really annoying. It's there in a little Rio. I want to make Trey an Easter basket. I think it's gonna be so cute. I have the perfect one that I want to make him with the perfect stuff in it. It's like, it's gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute. But I don't know what day Easter is on. I really don't. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I don't know. I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna look at my calendar. I can do that. So then once I look at my calendar, I see what day. Then I can plan accordingly. But I know I gotta go get most of the stuff now because I saw it out at Walmart, the main stuff that I want. And I don't want it to be gone. So I'm like, okay, well, I gotta go get it now. Not right now as in today. But you know, now as in before Easter comes. Too close. I don't want to drink this. And I gotta sit here, I think, for a whole hour because that's how it was with Trey when I had to sit. But I went to a different doctor with Trey, so. My oil changed too, so I was looking at that Loop and Go place. Yeah, think I don't even know. I was trying to think of when I'm gonna do the vlogs from, like, what's the cutoff days. But I don't know, because today is Saturday. I really hope it's in this one. It's gonna be salty if it's not. And I don't think it is. I was supposed to turn it somewhere. Joy Tree, popcorn extravaganza. Y'all came the complete wrong way. How do I mess it up like this, y'all? How? I was supposed to turn over somewhere. Oh, dang it. My hair hurts, y'all. But I have a pediatric night clinic over here. How convenient is that? And now everybody's lined up to go to this car wash over here. I just want to make a U-turn. That's all I want. I don't even want to go to the car wash, bro. Let me move. Because honestly, I'm not even trying to go to the car wash. I'm just trying to make a U-turn. That's it. That's it. Frontal insurance. No driver's license. No bank account. No credit check. Well, for car insurance, you should probably need a driver's license, huh? I mean, because, what? Never mind. Don't stop questioning stuff. What's the fire station? Fire station number 6. Let me go down further. At this point, I'm just driving, y'all. Yarn. Like, I was trying to say yard or lawn, but I guess I decided to go with both. But alright, y'all, I don't really got much to talk about at the moment, so